Good morning, sir. I'm Cadet Private Marical Malanya on 4th class. Organizational chart. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Commander-in-Chief. AFP. Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr., Secretary of Defense. General Romeo Browner Jr., AFP, Chief of Staff, AFP. Lieutenant General Roy M. Galido, PA, Commanding General, Philippines Army. Colonel Ronnie Ibarreta, Infantry, MNSA, FA, Superintendent. LTC Arnel D. Fabriga, OS, GSC, FA, Supervisor. Coronel Ferosaldo Fall Terehencia, Infantry, GSP, RESPA, Commandant. CPT, Paul Jerome T. Pagaran, Assistant Commander. CPT, Paul J. Gayanelo, PA-RES, Operation Officer. CPT, Gerardo Matienza, Jr., PA-RES Admin Officer. CPL Michael T. Laideros, Infantry, PA, Chief Clerk. SSG Alan T. Domingo, Infantry, PA, Admin and CO Instructor. Sergeant G. Bungalos Pares, Operation and CO Instructor. SSG Alex D. Chobes, FSPA, Training and CO Instructor. MSG Fabilando T. Pili, FSPA, Senior Tactical and NCO Instructor. TSG Manuel B. Marantal, QMS, PA, Tactical and NCO Instructor. TSG Juan T. Mirati Jr., MI, PA, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Jonard A. Mirandilla, PA, Res, Tactical and NCO Instructor. SSJ Leandro E. Merenciano Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Janet J. Failano Fares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Honesto M. Bermijo Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Maria Belos 8 Castañeda Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Jomar C. Sierras Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Mark Anthony L. Etorne Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant John Lloyd Boragay Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Jonisha R. Berana Pares, Tactical and NCO Instructor. Sergeant Gerard R. Marcelo Pares, GMA and GMA Instructor. Sergeant Christian A. Abilando Pares, GMA and GMA Instructor. Sergeant Melfred Calonod Pares, GMA Instructor. Cadet Colonel Mark Eliosor D. LT Valenzuela, First Class, Brigade Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joyce M. Tapala, First Class, Corps Commander, RPSI, TESDA Ragay, ROTCU. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Lloyd M. Babale, First Class, 1st Battalion Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rosemary I. Lorelia, First Class, 2nd Battalion Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Abigail M. Manao, First Class, 3rd Battalion Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Lloyd B. Cordon, First Class, 4th Battalion Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jun G. A. Fernando, First Class, Brigade Deputy Commander, Brigade Executive Officer. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Paul S. Bigalon, First Class, Combat Support and Service Support Battalion, 5th Battalion Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel General San Jose, First Class, Brigade G2 Intelligence and G3 Training Officer. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lovely G. Lagidao, First Class, Brigade G1 Adjutant and G7 Civil Military Officer. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Aaron E. Tatlonghari, First Class, Brigade G4 Logistic and Supply Officer, G6 Communication and Electronics. CCPT Jake Aaron R. Tendero, 3rd Class, S2 Intelligence Officer and S3 Training Officer, 2nd Battalion. CCPT Jeric M. Pereja, 2nd Class, S4 Supply Support and 5th Battalion. CCPT Anton Kurt D. Garcia, 2nd Class, Eco Company Commander, 3rd Battalion. CCPT Ronel G. Estepan, 2nd Class, S2 Intelligence and S3 Training Officer, 3rd Bat. CCPT RCJ San Jose, 3rd Class G1 Adjutant Officer, RPS Atisda Ragay R Otisillo. CCPT Arthur I. Monte, 2nd Class, S1 Adjutant Officer and S7 CMO, 4th Battalion. CCPT Riniel J. Lona, 2nd Class, S2 Intelligence Officer and S3 Training Officer, 4th Battalion. CCPT Ruel F. Sumawang, 2nd Class, Assistant J1 and Adjutant Officer and S7 CMO, 1st Battalion. CCPT Gail Jan Ronquillo, 2nd Class, S1 Adjutant Officer and S7 CMO, 5th Battalion. CCPT Jan Cesar Merate, 2nd Class, Delta Company Commander, 2nd Bat. CCPT Aldren National, 2nd Class, G3 Training Officer, RPSI Tisdaragay OTCO. CCPT Danilo Argeno, 2nd Class, S4 Ragay Officer. CCPT Eugenio Barenda, 2nd Class, S2 Intelligence and S3 Training Officer, 1st Bat. CCPT Eduardo S. Loreno Jr., 2nd Class, Foxtrot Company Commander, 3rd Battalion. CCPT Jericho S. Rivares, 3rd Class, S4 Supply and 4th Battalion. CCPT Leonel G. Paisa, 2nd Class, Engine Company Commander, 5th Battalion. CCPT James Oriol Ayora, 2nd Class, S4 Officer Supply Officer, 2nd Bat. CCPT Odilon Remuliena, 2nd Class, Bravo Company Commander, 1st Battalion. CCPT Benjamin Farde, 2nd Class, S1 Adjutant Officer and CMO, 2nd Bat. CCPT Marben de la Cruz, 2nd Class, Charlie Company Commander, 2nd Bat. CCPT John Cyron Orios, 2nd Class, Alpha Company Commander, 1st Battalion. CCPT Robiel B. Masote, 2nd Class, S2 Intelligence Officer and S3 Training Officer, 5th Bat. CCPT Wendell A. David Diagel, 2nd Class, Hotel Company Commander, 4th Battalion. CCPT Cyril S. Millena, 2nd Class, S1 Officer Adjutant, and 3rd Battalion. CCPT Jasly Shane Katangi, 2nd Class, S4 Officer, 1st Battalion. CCPT Shenli Bisa Antonio, 2nd Class, Gulf Company Commander, 4th Battalion.